Boys, look at this thing. Ooh. If you were watching the live feed the other night, I said that I was looking for a GT45. One of the guys messaged me, said, hey, come on, I'm in the shop for another few minutes. Come over, grab it, you can just buy it from me. So it's a 2.5 inch pipe. See, it fits pretty well there. Let me flip it over here for you. So I'll go in and weld that up now. And we'll have almost a turbo exhaust. Guys, look at that. Oh, snap. Fixing to weld the turbo mount on here. So excited. Look how cool that's gonna look. And we're gonna fire the exhaust like right here, and we'll put a V-band right back here and have an exhaust that will go down the back, or we'll have an exhaust that goes up the window.